Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to use the SQL as of MS SQL Server 2008. So let's begin. First we need to know what is SQL as. SQL as temporarily assigns a table column a new name. For example, student ID. For example, the student ID. We will change it to ID number by using the as. So, select student ID as, then the new value of the column, and I'm going to use ID number, then comma, meaning that is not the only one I'm gonna change. Then last name, I'm going to use surname, last name as surname, then first name, comma, forgot to insert comma there, and then the middle name, then no comma because it will be the last column that I'm gonna include in the select, and then from the table name, student information, then press the execute button, and there you go, ID number, surname, first name, middle name. So the student ID became ID number, and the last name became surname. So that is the use of SQL as in MS SQL Server, and thank you for watching.